We're back to face-to-face training again, and our focus is on helping schools review their risk management systems and confidently get their international travel programs back up and running again. With schools not being able to run international school trips for some time, combine this with a highly dynamic set of risks which comes with any sort of international school travel, it's critically important for you and your team to get back up to speed with effective planning and safety considerations. What worked in the past may not work now, and this is a great opportunity to test that theory before anyone goes anywhere near an airport. The Excursion International School Travel Safety Day is a great way to explore effective risk management practices for international travel. Come and join us for what's going to be a great solutions-based day of experiential workshops that won't involve any death by PowerPoint. Places are limited, so enrol now in the city closest to you by clicking on the link in this post. We look forward to working with you to help you make sure that all your international school trips are memorable for all the right reasons.